Have you ever considered the role a living will play in your estate plan? While estate planning often focuses on financial assets, a living will is a vital component that addresses your healthcare wishes. Today, let's understand the importance of a living will in estate planning. I'm Anna Burr from Burr Law. If you're curious about how a living will complement your estate plan, hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful guidance. A living will is a legal document that spells out your preferences for medical treatment where you can't make the decisions for yourself. Here's why it's a crucial part of your estate plan. First, expressing your healthcare wishes. A living will allow you to clearly state your preferences regarding life-sustaining treatments, resuscitation, and end-of-life care. It relieves decision-making burdens. Without a living will, family members can be left to make tough medical decisions without knowing your preferences, which can be a heavy emotional burden. A living will provides guidance, reduces stress, and potential conflicts. It prevents disputes. Clearly articulated wishes in a living will help avoid disputes among family members, ensuring that your end-of-life wishes are carried out as you intended. It complements a healthcare power of attorney. While a healthcare power of attorney designates someone to make healthcare decisions on your behalf, a living will provides specific guidance on what those decisions should be, ensuring they align with your values and beliefs. It provides legal clarity and enforceability. Since it's legally binding, a living will provides clarity and legal weight to your healthcare wishes, giving healthcare providers and your family clear directives. Including a living will in your estate plan involves controlling your healthcare decisions and ensuring your wishes are honored. It's an act of foresight and compassion for yourself and your loved ones. If you need assistance drafting or incorporating a living will into your comprehensive estate plan, please contact us at Burr Law. We specialize in creating tailored estate plans that respect your wishes and protect your interests. For more information on living wills and estate planning, please like, subscribe, and leave your comments or questions below. We're here to provide you with the guidance and support you need. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.